How do pop-up drink stands manage digital payment income? Most pop-up drink stands use a small mobile card reader connected to a smartphone or tablet, and every sale gets recorded automatically so the owner can see their money in real time without ever touching a paper receipt book. Think of it like this. Instead of a cash box, the stand owner has a tiny gadget that plugs into or connects wirelessly to their phone. When a customer taps their card or phone to pay, the money doesn't go straight into a wallet. It goes into a digital account first, kind of like a mailbox that holds the money until it's ready to be moved into the owner's bank account. This usually happens within 1 to 2 business days. Something a lot of people don't realize is that these payment systems also track every single drink sold, what time it's sold, and even which flavors are most popular, so the stand owner ends up with a mini business report without doing any extra work. Some stands even use this data to decide what to restock the next day, which is a smart trick most small vendors never think to use. One big thing to watch out for is transaction fees, since most card readers take a small percentage from every sale, so it helps to compare providers before picking one. Another important point is internet connection, because if the signal drops in a crowded park or event, payments can fail, so having a backup hotspot is a smart habit. Lastly, always keep your software updated, since outdated payment apps are more vulnerable to errors or security issues, and a quick weekly check can save a lot of stress later. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.